The Delhi police lathi charged peaceful protesters at Jantar Mantar after trying to evict them in a midnight raid. Some 80 Dalit families from Hisar who had converted to Islam after being harassed by the upper caste were on a dharna in the capital. They claimed to have permission for the protest. But when the police began the lathi charge, a group of volunteers from Yogendra Yadav Swaraj Abhiyan intervened and they were beaten up as well. 11 people have been admitted to the RML hospital in the capital.
Midnight drama unfolded here at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, where volunteers of Swaraj Samvad and other protesters claim they were lathi charged by the police at around 11:30 p.m. These men and women from Hisar's Bhagana village protesting at Jantar Mantar for over a year against atrocities by upper caste Jats in their village. They say they had no option but to convert to Islam. At midnight, protesters claim that the Delhi police personnel tried to forcefully evict them by hitting them with lathis.
रात को पुलिस वाले ने बहुत मारा जी, 15-20 पुलिस वाले आए जी रात को, बहुत लठ मारे और मेरे को छाती में इतने लहत गुस्से मारे और ये बिल्कुल मेरा मुंह ये बिल्कुल सुन हो रहा है। बोला था कि तुम यहाँ से भाग जाओ, तुम्हारे पास परमिशन नहीं है। हमने कहा हमारे को तो गांव से भी पहले बेदखल किया हुआ, हम कहाँ जाए।
Meanwhile, the volunteers of Yogendra Yadav's Swaraj Abhiyan, preparing for Jai Kisan rally the next morning and witness to the repression of Delhi police at midnight, intervened.
मैं ही वहाँ पे वो जो भाई साहब थे उनको मार रहे थे, तो मैं ही उनसे उलझाता कि भाई इनको काहे मार रहे हो आप। फिर हमारे एक और जो कोई वॉलंटियर थे, उनको वो लोग वो आगे थे, उनको वो लोग काफ़ी मार रहे थे। मैंने वहाँ से एक डंडा उठाया, मैं उनको बचाने के लिए बस गया ही था कि एक ने मेरे सर पे, फिर काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाथ में भी ये चोट आई है।
The police action left about a dozen protesters injured, some of them facing even severe head injuries. All of them are now at Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital in the capital.
This is a case of astonishing brutality and illegality by Delhi police. Basically, Delhi police attacked 6 of our volunteers. 2 of them, the skulls have been broken. And why? Because they happened to be standing next to a place where the police came to do some operation. They brought people in civilian clothes and started, apart from those they wanted to hit, they also started hitting our volunteers.
The police refused to react on camera. With Surendra Singh in Hisar and camera person Khurshid, Kinshu Dang for NDTV.